It took me 3 years to unbox this product. Why? This is a question everybody will ask. Well, I am here to give the answer. I got this product as a winning prize, the first prize in a cooking competition. If you go back and take a look into my channel, you will find out that I had posted about this prize and also my winning dish. It was a pan paturi, a dessert, which I made and innovated myself. I'm quite happy that I received this gift and that too the first prize. When something you deserve and something you achieve, it is the happiest moment in life. This is not any brand promotion, I am just sharing my memory with you. This is a 4-jar mixie in which there are 2 medium jars and 1 chutney jar and 1 juicer. I already had a Bajaj mixie and this one is Crompton. Thank you Crompton for believing in me and giving me the first prize. Everything is good about this mixie. I have not used it as yet. I have just checked whether it's in a working condition or not, and it's working fine. Everything is good in this mixie except that the lid is not transparent. It is black in color. When you are grinding anything, it won't be visible from outside. Otherwise, the stainless steel jar is quite good enough. And in my previous mixie, it was a transparent lid. And the transparent lid, which is there in one of the jars, I think it's a liquid jar, and but the quality of the lid doesn't seems very durable. Well, when I'll use it, I will be able to describe much better. Right now, it seems to be feeble. Otherwise, the look is good. Black and blue handle looks good, and the blue motor also looks good. So this lid looks very weak. Otherwise, the color combination is good enough. But I would wish that they make all transparent lids so that whatever you are grinding, it is visible. I think as a homemaker, we usually use mixie and grinder in the kitchen all the time. So it should look good. Whatever you're doing, it should be visible. So this is my opinion. And if Crompton, you are watching this, I think you will consider my request that keep the lid transparent. Even if the jar is transparent, it is quite good. But nowadays everybody prefers to have a stainless steel body, so I think the stainless steel jar is quite durable, but the lid needs to be transparent. Since now my previous Bajaj mixie is working quite well, so I did not open it till now. But everybody who saw this, they were wondering why I was not opening it. So since now I have opened it, I will start using it, and I love this mixie because the previous one I had a 3-jar mixie in which there was 2 big jars and 1 small jar. So now I'm having a juicer additional to it. I will always cherish this gift because this is an achievement which I have earned. It's not a purchase thing, and any achievement is always memorable. This achievement has given me quite a lot of motivation, and since I have been doing content creation for some time, people who know me have trust in my content, and this makes me feel happy that I'm in the right path and I'm doing something good enough and which will help people gain their confidence as well. That is why it took me almost 3 years to unbox it. Just a little less than 3 years. I am proud of myself and my family too. Thanks for watching.
Now, I request all my 3 winners to